Dashcam information from an expert in the field. All about dashcam.
What features do you look for when you're shopping for a dashcam? The majority of people consider the clarity of the dashcam as a top priority when comparing dashcams. Video clarity is important for a dashcam since it helps capture more information.
Typically, people check the video resolution first when they compare dashcams. However, there are more factors that determine the overall clarity of the video besides the resolution.
Wide dynamic range is a function that helps the dashcam to adjust to bright and dark condition and improve the overall quality of the footage.
You may have experienced issues when taking a picture with bright light, such as sunlight present. It is because the camera failed to balance the light of the picture, resulting in a bright background and a dark foreground, or vice versa.
This applies to videos as well. A sudden change in light can result in excessively bright or dark recordings.
When using a dashcam, this may occur while driving during sunlight and entering a tunnel, or driving past a shadow of a building. In these situations, the WDR function eliminates excessively bright areas on the recording to correct its color balance in order to produce a clear image.
High dynamic range is a useful function that helps correct the exposure levels when a subject is too dark or too bright.
This function is especially useful when you try to capture a license plate in the dark. With the latest technology, LED headlights are energy efficient and last longer, but can be much more powerful and shine bright. Sometimes, bright headlights can make it even harder for dashcams to capture license plates.
Along with the development of LED headlights, dashcams have adapted to these technological advances to ensure the small details on the road are captured, as they can be critical details when it comes to an accident.
With HDR, the dashcam records a long shutter frame video and a short shutter frame video at the same time to optimize the quality of footage, so even with bright headlights in a dark environment, you can still capture a legible license plate with HDR.
On the other hand, you can also increase the quality of the footage by adding an accessory called a CPL filter.
A CPL filter, also known as a circular polarizer filter, placed in front of the lens will increase the quality of your dashcam footage by filtering out the light which has been directly reflected towards the dashcam. Think of a CPL filter like polarized sunglasses for your dashcam. Even though your dashcam has the highest resolution in the market, lens flares, light reflections, and windshield glare can still negatively impact the quality of your dashcam footage. Light issues do not only occur during a sunny day. Rain can negatively affect video quality since the rain causes reflection and flare of the light. With the addition of a CPL filter, you can increase the quality of your dashcam footage by eliminating flare and reducing light reflection. Other than issues caused by light, the CPL filter can also increase the quality of the footage by enhancing color saturation so you can capture more beautiful scenery when you go on a scenic drive.
Do you think a dashcam that adapts to different lighting conditions is worth spending your money on? As always, the decision is yours.
Dashcam information from an expert in the field. All about dashcam.